We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year.
Today we're talking about improving the overall hygiene, okay? Because what's important? Smelling good? Oh yeah, I know I love to smell good. Honey, I ain't even gonna lie to you. Smelling good is one of my favorite hobbies, and there is nothing more attractive than somebody that smells amazing. Now, you don't want to just smell good from what us, the public people, can smell, but you want to smell good in every area, okay? Every nook and cranny, as the old folks would say. So today I'm with you guys some of my favorite tips for smelling amazing, and towards the end of this video I'm going to share with you guys some of my favorite products for smelling amazing as well. So this is a video that you do not want to miss. Make sure that you keep it locked and loaded right here, and also make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure that you leave a comment down below, I don't care if it's just an emoji, and give this video a huge thumbs up, and share this video with anybody who you think that this video will be beneficial for, okay? It helps the channel out a lot. And if you support your girl, that's one of the ways to show that you do. Let's get right into it. There are a lot of different body odors. Pay attention to your body and what it's smelling like, okay? If you have any abnormal odors, you might want to go to your doctor. If you have any abnormal odors that just taking a shower won't fix, you need to go to your doctor ASAP, okay? And I'm not a doctor, so I'm not here to advise you on what you should do to that other than go to your doctor, okay? I don't know nothing about that. But I will say this, there are a lot of different things that can change your body odor, like pregnancy, menopause, stress. You'd be surprised the things that can change the way that you smell overall. If it smells fishy, run to your doctor immediately. Call them. Don't walk, run, okay? We need for you to go to your doctor expeditiously. And I know this odd scent because, y'all, when I be at work, it's some girls that come into the bathroom and that scent lingers. It smells like they done left their whole ass in the bathroom. I'm not lying. This is when it's time to see the doctor, okay? I should not be able to smell you in a restroom, point blank period. I said restroom, I meant restroom. I should not be able to smell your body odor or your body scent unless I'm saying, oh, she smells good. Now, how to reduce vaginal odor? Well, there are a few ways that you can do this. These are a few ways that I absolutely love, and by the way, it shouldn't be stanky, okay? Now, we all need a shower every day. I hope you're taking a shower every day. Then you won't smell yourself at all. Now, one of the first ways to improve your hygiene is by adopting good hygiene measures. This means taking a shower every day, sometimes twice a day, okay? A lot of y'all don't like to take showers every day, and that's not gonna work in this instance. This is not back in the biblical days when they took a shower okay? You need to take a shower every day. And back in the biblical days, they didn't even know you stunk really. So, you know, this is a different time where you need to go and you need to take a towel and wash your asses. I ain't lying. Urinating immediately after sex is very important. I know that this is something that we don't think about, and you just like to roll over and go to sleep after, and woo child, you're tired, okay? Your edges sweated out, your hair sweated out, you don't want nothing to do with nothing, but go and urinate immediately after sex. This is so important. A lot of girls get UTIs after sex because they are not going to the bathroom like they should be. And if you are going to use a soap down there, which you should, I recommend that you use a fragrance-free soap. I absolutely love a Summer's Eve. I always use their unscented line. But something else that I noticed when I was in labor was that the doctor used Johnson & Johnson. Okay, he used Johnson & Johnson to pull my baby's head out easily. Okay, to pull her body out easily. So I would say try that out too. I love using that with an exfoliating cloth, like around the sides to get in there good. Okay, not inside the JJ, but honey, I like using it on the sides with my little exfoliating cloth because your JJ needs a little exfoliation too, okay? It needs it. So yeah, Try that out. Try one of those two. I absolutely love both. And most of the times I use them in conjunction with one another. I'll start off with my Summer's Eve, and honey, I'll end off the shower by exfoliating around my pee-pee with my exfoliating glove. I love it with my Johnson & Johnson. Okay. Now this is something that should not have to be mentioned, but make sure that you change your underwear daily. Okay? Don't be wearing the same underwear every day. If it's anything that's inexpensive to buy, it's underwear. Make sure that you're changing the mugs out every day. And I know we love to wear our sexy underwear, but baby, save that for your man. Don't be wearing that all out and about. You don't have to have lace on while you're going to work. No, you ain't got to do all that, okay? Let your JJ breathe, okay? Wear some cotton, wear something that's nice and comfy, and then when it's sexy time, whenever you get home, baby, you can put on your lace underwear and do whatever you gotta do. But during the day, don't be wearing lace all day, honey. Your vagina can't breathe. It can't get no air. It's just like, ugh. You're taking the life out of it. And this is one of the things that causes yeast infections, is by wearing underwear that are not cotton all day long, not letting your vajayjay breathe. Sometimes I just like to go without. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm not even gonna lie. When I'm in my comfort zone, I don't worry about underwear whatsoever. But when I'm out and about, I put me on a good pair of cotton underwear and I change them every day, as you should. And you should be showering every day too. Now, after you've been to the gym or walking or running around, whatever you call yourself doing, honey, take a shower. Take a shower. Okay, because leaving sweat down there is one of the easiest ways to, number one, get an infection, and number two, you're gonna smell bad. You're gonna smell bad. You're gonna smell exactly what you did too damn much. Now, something else that can throw off your pH balance is, of course, semen. So make sure that you either use a condom during sex, or if your body is used to your partner and it doesn't throw off your pH balance, you should be good to go. Probably shouldn't be having sex with somebody that your body, well, without a condom, that your body is not, you know, used to it. I shouldn't even have to say that. And you can rinse your vulva and your vajayjay with water. Of course, it is not advised by anybody, no doctors whatsoever, to use a douche. Douches are not good for down there. I'm just here to tell you. Tight fitting clothing is really a no-go. I specifically like to gear this towards jeans and things like that because they're very uncomfortable fabrics and they tend to like smush everything together, okay? There's no room for really anything to breathe in jeans. So I'd say more so, it doesn't have to be everything tight. If you like to wear your hoochie mama clothes, that's your business, honey. But try to stay away from like tight fitted jeans and things like that because they don't allow room for that area to breathe. So here are my favorite items for maintaining vaginal hygiene. I'm sorry, good vaginal hygiene. Let's make sure that I put that in the front. So I love probiotics, okay? I have a few of my favorite probiotics and I'm going to leave them listed down below for you guys to check out. This helps to improve your body scent so much, and also, you guys, it just makes you feel so much better, okay? A lot of these give you energy, and also they help for your girl to feel good down there, okay? Because you got to take care of her too. You got to. Something else that I would recommend doing is shaving, okay? Keeping everything nice and tidy down there because hair tends to hold odor. So a lot of times when you hold on to hair, you hold on to odor. During your cycle, make sure that you're changing your pads and tampons regularly, okay? This is super duper important. And I know that I was telling y'all products that I loved, but I needed to throw in those extra tips because, hey, they popped up in your girl's head. Whenever you use soaps down there, try to look for antibacterial soaps, okay? Try to look for soaps that do not contain a lot of scent, okay? Using something that smells like something that is just so amazing, it's going to throw off your pH balance 9 times out of 10 because it 9 times out of 10 contains perfumes and scents that you should not be putting down there. Usually during my period, I always use the Maxi Pad by Always. These are my tried and true. I have always used these during my cycle. Get it? I have always used Always pads because they keep my pH balance in check, and also they're very comfortable. Let me let y'all know, do not get the fragrance scented ones, okay? Let me throw that in there. And also, whenever you go to the bathroom, if you're not able to shower directly after taking a boo-boo, use baby wipes, okay? Try to clean that area. Keep it nice and clean. This all helps. All of this information is gonna help you, girl. Now, this is pretty much a thrown together video, but I hope that this video gives you some help, okay? It's gonna make you smell so much better. Your man gonna be like, ooh, thank you, Jesus. She finally took heed to some of these steps, okay? Because Lord is a little, I'm just kidding. Hopefully he ain't like that. And y'all, This is how you smell and taste amazing, okay? Because you can't help but to, improve your diet. That's what make you taste amazing. Look, y'all, this a thrown together video. This a ghetto YouTube video. Hey, eat more pineapple. Do stuff, drink more smoothies, eat more fruits. Cut out the beef and stuff. You'll taste amazing in no time. Alright, y'all. Subscribe. Leave a comment down below. And give the video a thumbs up. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next one. Peace out.
Yeah. Leaving me, dipping out on me already. Got what you needed, I guess, quickly. Learned yourself through me already. Gave you what you needed, I guess.